Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could enable the Hyper-V option in Windows 11. To begin, go to your search bar and type turn Windows features on or off, and once you see this icon, click on it to open. Wait until this little window open for you and try to locate Hyper-V. We should be able to see it here. As a next step, make sure to tick and to have it selected and click OK. Sometimes Windows may start downloading some files from online, that's fine, and sometimes it might not since they are already existing in your computer. In both cases, you will need to restart your computer so that the changes are taken into effect and so that this option starts working for you. If for any reason you are getting an error code, just write us a comment with the description and with the error code and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.